It's the season for flus, cough and fever. And today I have the perfect homemade remedy for you. Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani. Welcome to Rajshri Food, and today I'm going to share the recipe for homemade Kadha Premix. To make this Kadha Premix, I'm going to be using a lot of whole spices which have a lot of medicinal properties and which helps in soothing your cold and cough. So first, I'm going to start with pounding a few. So I have 5 to 6 black cardamoms over here. Just pound them to the point that the cardamoms open up. Since we're going to store this premix, I'm going to slightly roast the spices. So now these cardamom pieces go into a pan. Turn on the flame and reduce the heat. Next, I'm going to take a 2-inch piece of cinnamon and pound it lightly and break it into smaller pieces. This also goes into the pan. Next, I'm going to pound 2-inch piece of dry whole ginger. In case you don't have the whole ginger, you can always use powder, but just make sure that you add it while grinding the premix. So I have the whole ginger piece over here. So I'm going to pound it. Let's add this into the pan. 1.5 tablespoons of cloves, 1 tablespoon peppercorns, 1.5 tablespoons of ajwain. Just slightly roast all these ingredients for a minute or a minute and a half, not too much. Just warm them up slightly. These spices have been roasting for a minute. Turn off the flame and now I'm going to grind them. There's one more ingredient that I've not added while roasting is fennel seeds. 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds. This also gives a very nice flavor to the kadha. And now let's grind all these ingredients into a powder. There's a very soothing aroma to this mix. It's ready. The premix is ready. Now let's make the kadha. For that, I'm going to boil 2 cups of water. Once the water comes to a boil, next I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of the premix. Next, if you have a few leaves of Tulsi or holy basil, please add them. Jaggery to taste. Give this a stir and let this boil for at least a good 5 to 6 minutes on low heat. Cover it with a lid partially and let it simmer. Did you know Tulsi is regarded as one of the best immunity boosters, and the reason for it is that it normalizes blood pressure levels and blood glucose levels. The kadha has been simmering since the last 5 minutes. Time to turn off the flame. Give it a stir. Time to strain the kadha in the cups. You can have this kadha just by itself, but there are a few more ingredients that I like to add. These are absolutely optional, so if you like, add them. 2 pinches of turmeric powder, 2 to 3 drops of ghee. This helps in soothing the throat, and a few drops of lemon juice. Give this a mix. This kadha is ready. Make sure that you have it at least twice a day for best effects. Keeping a premix ready with such health benefits is really essential, especially so that you don't have to go through the whole process of making it during your sickness. So do give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.